From the future of mobile luxury, greetings. This is the 2026 Audi Motorhome, a groundbreaking combination of a 5-star hotel and a high-performance electric car. Its look avoids the traditional big RV style in favor of a sleek, aerodynamic shape that implies its speed, thanks to Audi's trademark single-frame grille and cutting-edge OLED lighting that interacts with the road. This moving sanctuary is powered by an innovative all-electric EV Quattro system, which is reported to generate up to 600 horsepower from its dual-motor design and have an estimated 400-mile range from a massive battery pack. This technology ensures that the RV runs with the quiet, unwavering authority you would expect from an Audi in addition to looking fast. When you get into the cockpit, you are instantly taken to a futuristic lounge. When the autonomous driving system is engaged, the very smart and simple dashboard is designed to disappear. Its sweeping, curved digital display surrounds the driver and provides real-time vehicle information, AI-assisted driving advice, and navigation. A secondary, sizable vertical MMI touch panel in the center serves as the main control center for both living and vehicle functions. When it's time to relax, the steering wheel retracts into the dashboard and the driver's seat swivels back, turning the cab into a communal space. The living space redefines luxury travel beyond the cockpit. The spacious space utilizes ingenious slide-out components that expand the floor plan while parked. Among the opulent and eco-friendly materials utilized are deep pile carpets, rich wood veneers, and premium sustainable leather. The center lounge area's soft, roomy seating that can be turned into a cozy daybed, along with panoramic windows and a voice-activated ambient LED lighting system, provide the perfect ambience for any space. Designed to provide the finest possible sleep, the bedroom is a true private haven. It has climate control technology and a king-size memory foam mattress with an integrated massage feature. The calm, muted finishes of the walls contrast with subtle touches of carbon or carved wood. You may rest easy knowing that the chamber has a large, high-definition OLED screen built into the wall and is soundproofed from the main living area, whether you're parked at a beach or in a noisy city. Instead of feeling like an RV wet bath, the bathroom has the feel of a 5-star spa. It has a big glass-enclosed rainfall shower with high water pressure, heated flooring, and high-end European fixtures. The toilet is self-cleaning, and the vanity area has beautiful custom-cut stone on top. By serving as both an entertainment screen and a personal fitness tracker, a smart digital mirror elevates your road trip hygiene routine to a level of sophistication and technology never seen before. The fully equipped galley kitchen is perfect for gourmet cooking while on the road. A full-size refrigerator, a multi-zone induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven are examples of contemporary smart equipment that blend in nicely with the cabinetry. Quartz or a beautiful, durable stone mixture are used for countertops. The area is useful for a really high-tech culinary experience, with voice-activated soft-close drawers, a large sink with a pull-down faucet, and enough storage for a fully stocked pantry.